Today we are going to look at rounding numbers to the nearest hundreds. Rounding is when we change a number to a nearby value so it is easier to work with. When rounding to the nearest hundreds, we change the number to numbers like 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on. Round 673 to the nearest hundred. You can see that 673 sits between 600 and 700. It is closer to 700 than 600, so we round it up to 700. The digit in the hundreds place goes from 6 to 7, and everything after it becomes 0 to make 700. So 673 rounded to the nearest hundred is 700. Round 412 to the nearest hundred. You can see that 412 sits between 400 and 500. It is closer to 400 than 500, so we round it down to 400. 412 rounded to the nearest hundred is 400. Now let's try a larger number. Round 1290 to the nearest hundred. You can see that 1290 sits between 1200 and 1300. It is closer to 1300, so we round up to 1300. The digit in the hundreds place goes from 2 to 3, and the tens and ones place digits become zeros. The thousands digit does not change. So, 1290 rounded to the nearest hundred is 1300. Now it's your turn.